guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of March. So I am a little bit late in unboxing this, but I've said it before, better late than never. So basically, Young Living is an essential oil company. It's really based on health and wellness, and so they have all these essential oils, but they also have items that are infused with essential oils. They have skincare products, products for babies, men, women, children. They even have products for your pets. They have nutritional supplements and things like that and items to cook with. And so it's a health and wellness company. I am an Essential Rewards member, so I'm committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And so each month I go in and I change my order to meet the needs that my house has for that month. And so it's usually a combination of essential oils, skincare products, and things like that. Because this box has been sitting here for a little bit, I can't really remember what I ordered for the month of March. So we're gonna get into the box to see what I got for this month. Let me take out the packing real quick. I have my packing slip and I'm gonna set that to the side. And so, oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so each month I try to order one new item or one new essential oil. And so last month I got the Easy Breeze shower steamers. And so this month I ordered the Citrus Fresh shower steamers. And it says the clean, bright aromas of 5 citrus essential oils buoyed by sweet spearmint float through warm shower steam to create an energizing aromatic experience. Place a Citrus Fresh Energizing shower steamer in your shower to surround yourself with a refreshing aroma for an uplifting start to your day. And I really enjoyed the Easy Breeze shower steamers. That was more of a mint and kind of eucalyptus kind of smelling shower steamer. But this one's a citrus one. I want to smell it because they really do have quite a strong scent to them. I completely forgot I put this in my order. Ooh, I smell spearmint. The Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend that Young Living has a combination of several citrus essential oils, including mandarin, and then it has a hint of spearmint to it, so that's exactly what this smells like. They're individually wrapped, which is really nice, so then you just place them in a spot in your shower where it's going to get a little like wetness from the shower, but not soaking wet. So these are just nice to have. We also love the bath bombs. We like the lavender bath bombs and the stress away bath bombs, so this will be a nice addition to those. Okay, so next I have something that I use in my skincare routine, and it is the Art Refreshing Toner. And I was running low on this. I'm actually almost out, so I'm glad I got this when I did, because I have plenty of the cleanser, but I was almost out of the refreshing toner. Art for Young Living stands for Age Refining Technology, and so this is a skincare system that they have. They have the gentle cleanser, they have the toner, they also have a light moisturizer, and I want to say that they have a thicker moisturizer as well. But I use this as part of my daytime, like morning routine, and I love it. Let me read to you what it says about the Art Refreshing Toner. All right, so the Art Refreshing Toner gently removes impurities without drying the skin, which is good because I have fairly dry skin. The perfect blend of essential oils helps balance your skin's pH while leaving your face clean, toned, and refreshed. And it has a really nice cooling sensation. Let's see what's in it. So it has witch hazel, aloe, let's see, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, peppermint, frankincense, lavender, lemon, melissa, and green tea leaf extract. And so those essential oils that I mentioned are really good for skincare. So I love that. And so this is a smaller order, but I do have a couple of tubes. And so the first tube, oh yeah. So this is just basically a staple. For me, I use orange essential oil all year round. It's great for your fall diffuser blends. It's great for your winter diffuser blends. It's perfect for spring and for summer. And so this is one of those essential oils that just pairs nicely with anything that you put in your diffuser. And so I like to keep orange essential oil on hand all the time. And so that's a good one to have. And that's a single oil. There's only orange in it. Let's see what they say about orange. So orange is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring feelings of inspiration. It says that you can diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. I never apply it topically. I always just diffuse it. And then the Vitality line that you can add to food and drink It tastes really good in Ningxia Red, and that's the way I like to use the Vitality line. Okay, so that tube is empty. I have one essential oil that's off by itself, so it must have fallen out of the tube, but it is a brand new one to me. This is the Awaken essential oil blend, and so I'm curious to smell it. So let's see. Oh, I like that. That smells really good. I'm smelling something kind of minty, maybe. Ooh, that smells really good. I like that. I definitely want to see what's in that. So let's get my book out. And so orange is a single, but Awaken is a blend because it's a combination of multiple essential oils put together to make the oil blend. So Awaken, it says Awaken is a blend of 5 other blends. Ooh, that's interesting. Expertly formulated to help you become aware of limitless potential when used aromatically, Awaken is the first step toward making positive life changes. And so it contains 5 different essential oil blends. It contains the Joy essential oil blend, Present Time, Harmony, Forgiveness, and Dreamcatcher. So that's interesting because each one of those essential oils are a blend of a bunch of other oils. So that's interesting to me. I like the smell of it. It smells really nice. And then I have one more. It is Stress Away. Yes, this is one of my favorite spring and summer diffuser blends that I like to diffuse. Stress Away is an essential oil blend, and I love to combine this with lime. If you combine this with lime, it smells like a margarita and you feel like you're on vacation. You can combine this with lavender. I've not tried that, but I've seen diffuser blends on Pinterest where they suggest diffusing it with lavender. If you add orange to it, it smells like a creamsicle. So Stress Away is just one of these great essential oils that I like to have during the spring and the summer. And so I opened my last Stress Away essential oil bottle, and so I wanted to get a backup on that. So let's read about Stress Away. So Stress Away is the first product to contain the unique combination of lime and vanilla, pure therapeutic grade essential oils. With an aroma that is the perfect blend of tropical and citrus, Stress Away is uniquely relaxing and comforting, and I would agree with that. That's probably my husband's favorite essential oil because he loves when I diffuse Stress Away and lime together. So it contains copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. And it says that you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So that is my essential rewards order for the month of March. It is a small one, but because I have a pretty good collection of essential oils, I don't spend a ton all at one time. I try to keep it reasonable and try to add something new, like I said, each month. So for this month, I have the Citrus Fresh Energizing Shower Steamers, and then the Awaken Essential Oil Blend was new to me. And then, of course, I just needed to replace my orange, my Stress Away, and my Art Refreshing Toner because I use it every day. If you have any questions about Young Living, please leave those in the comments boxes down below. I will leave my membership number in the description box. That way, if you want to try any of these products as a member, you get a 24% discount off of the price of the items. As an Essential Rewards member, I get an additional 25%, I think it's 25% back on whatever I spend. So let's say that I spend, you know, $100 on products, and I'm gonna get 25% of that back to bank towards points that I get to spend on free products. And so I let my points build up, at every couple months or so, I will spend those points on free products. And so that's a benefit of being an Essential Rewards member, where you're getting your boxes monthly. But just signing up as a member, you get a 24% discount. If you're a retail customer, you just don't get the discount of the 24% like you would as being a member. Signing up just to be a member doesn't mean that you have to spend anything monthly. Being an Essential Rewards member is when you have to spend a certain amount, $50 or more each month. So like I said, I'll leave that in the description box below, and if you want to try anything, just click on that and enter my member number, and that will allow you to purchase any of these Young Living products that you may be interested in. All right, guys, I'll be back very soon with my April Essential Rewards order. Until next time, bye, guys.